Hi guys, my name is Antonio. I work here at SlabWare, and today I'm going to teach you how you're going to create a remnant inside Distributor system.
In the system, you must go inside the bundle and choose the slab that you want to create a remnant. If you click here, you will select the option cut. The system will take you to the page where you can set how many pieces you're creating from that slab. So let's say that I want to create 2 pieces. You can set the size of the remnant. So this is the original size of the slab. And here you will set the size of the remnant. So we will say that the remnant is 28 by 28. Here you can set the location. And here you can add pictures. Once you're done, you will hit save. And the system will create a new bundle with the remnants you just created. You can also add a picture to each one of these remnants.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact our support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you're going to go inside slabware.com and start your free trial right now.